Hey guys, welcome to this video here. I'm going to talk about in this video passive income stream, and I'm going to talk about my number one passive income stream. If you all know anything about passive, it's that most of the time it's really not that passive after all. But this one I'm going to share with you. If you stick around and watch, I'm going to share with you what it is, and I'm going to show you how much money it brings me in. And it's virtually, once you set it up, it's virtually passive for years to come. All right, before I get into it, make sure that you click subscribe if you like the content in the video, and share if you think you find value in it. All right, let's get right to it. I'll see you inside. Hey guys, so in this video, I promised you I'm going to show you my number one passive income stream as of right now. And I do have several passive income streams, but this one is very special because it is truly passive income. And I can't stress this enough. For those of you who have real estate, even if you own stocks, crypto, you know it's not really passive, because if you're really trading, you're really getting out of your positions at certain areas or at certain stop points. So you have to manage your trades. If you're just buying to hold forever, who does that anymore? But anyway, my point is, if you have real estate, you also have to manage when a tenant leaves and when things break and whatnot. This form of passive income is truly 99.9% passive. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm going to show you everything about it. All right, so let's start off by talking about audible.com. I want to show you some statistics before we get into the meat and potatoes, okay? If we look at audible.com's traffic, we can see that today is October 12th. Last month in September, it got about in traffic about over 24 million. And this is pretty steady for this website. 24 million in September. In August, 26 million. In July, 25 million. So there's a ton of traffic going to this website. Now, I know most of you are not familiar with self-publishing. And you could go ahead through my channel, and you'll see videos on there that explains to you what self-publishing is. But one of the most profitable areas of self-publishing is right here in audible.com. Basically, by the way, if you're interested in the course where I teach all this, there's going to be a link below. Go ahead and click, and it'll take you to a video to learn more about that. But when we self-publish, there's a lot of areas that we make money off of books, and this is one of them. We have the book produced into an Audible form, and we own the rights for life. So we upload these books onto audible.com, so you don't have to create a website. You see the traffic, right? The best thing about selling something is go where there are hungry customers. So I'm just showing you the amount of traffic and the marketing behind where your book is going to end up. So you may know that I self-publish, and I have a large asset of books online. So I upload my books to audible.com, and that's it. I don't have to do anything for the rest of my life with them. They're there, and they sell every month, and it's highly profitable and hands-off. So let's go into the numbers so I can show you what this type of traffic that you can produce if you were to upload books to audible.com. Of course, you have to know the strategies, so you have sales every month like I do. But I'm going to show you why I do $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month with audible.com with my hands off. All right, here we go. I'm going to show you first how I make this happen. Let's refresh this page here. Let's go to audible.com from the beginning. Right? And I'm going to type in a keyword. I type in a lot. I publish in a lot of keywords, different keywords. And I'm going to show you keywords that I published, 2 years ago. I was publishing books on trading. So if you start to type in, it shows you what the most popular keywords are. So trading in the zone, trading. Let's go with trading, the second one. It pulls up trading, and you can see right away here that there's over 1,000 books competing for this keyword, trading. We're going the first 20 on this page. If I scroll down, you're going to see one of my books is ranking on the first page, and here it is. This is my book here. I published this back in October, exactly a year ago, and it's still ranking. It's a $25 book. It's still ranking the first top 20. Let me show you the book in my back office here. Here's the book down here. All right. Published in September 2019. Trading Mastery, 4 books in 1. Author is Brian Lee. As you can see, Brian Lee is the author. All right. So that's just one book, and this is one book. If I continue to go through the pages, right, I'm going to show you why I do 15, 20, 30,000 just on this Audible. So that's one of 20. Let's go to the next page with this keyword. And I have tons of different niches where this is the case. I'm just showing you a niche I don't even publish anymore in trading because I got so tired of. Here we go. I'm scrolling down. Second page, this book is also mine. So I'm going to show you the back office. So you see this is my book. There's nothing to hide. I uploaded this back in April, right? So it's more than a year. This was released April 2019. It's October 2020. This thing is still on the second page competing against 1,000 other books, and this thing is still generating money for me every single month. So let me show you the back office on this book. And here's the book down here. Odin Velez, Day Trading Options for a Living. Odin Velez. And here it is. Odin Velez, Day Trading Options for a Living. All right, second page. And I could go through page number 3, page 4, page 5. I have books in every single page in trading. And this is why my income is what it is. Here's another book. This is page number 3, right? Let me show you here. We're going 40 out of 60 out of the top 1,000, right? Page number 3, right? I'm here, page number 3. And again, you have another book. So when you have over 24, 25 million people coming to this website, and when people are searching for books on trading, it's hard for me not to get sales because I'm ranking on the top few pages. And this is just one niche. I have a ton of niches, and let me show you this book that is also mine. So there's no confusion. There's no doubt. How to Trade. So How to Trade Forex for a Living, author Brian Lee. Here it is, right? How to Trade Forex by Brian Lee. Here's my other book. This is my back office, right? This is my back office to Amazon, KDP. So guys, once you upload these books, right, they're here. They are here forever. Now, in the course, if you're interested in doing this, I teach you which keywords to publish in, how to do what I do, how to get your books to rank so well, and for you to publish things that are actually books that are going to sell, right? You don't want books at the book number 900 back here that nobody's going to find. Let me show you the back office to ACX. This is the platform for Audible where the books are. All right, I'm going to go month to date. Today is October the 12th. I sold over 100,000 copies of audiobooks this month, right? Month to date, October 1st to October 12th. I've already sold over 1,800 plus one bounty. One bounty is about $75. That means somebody bought my book and they're new to audible.com, so they give me a bonus of $75. So I've sold already in the first 10 days. This is delayed. These numbers are delayed. I've sold more books than this, but this is delayed. But just based on what you're seeing here, I've sold $17.91. If I do a quick math on this, I make net for me about $4 without the bounty. I'm looking at already $7,000 within the first 10 days of this month. And this is delayed. I know there's a lot more sales because this is delayed reporting. So I've already made $7,000 and there's no ads. There's nothing to do. This is just passive income. All right. This is not luck. If I go back to, let's say this is the third quarter. The third quarter of this year, from July 2020 to September last month, a couple of days ago, I sold close to 12,000 books on passive income, passively, right? So I'll show you how much that is. 11,796 times 4, 47,000 in a quarter. Just from this revenue. There's a lot more revenue streams for books, guys. This is just one, but this is actually the most passive. There's no ads to place for this. You don't need to place any ads. You have 24 million people coming to the site every month. There's no need to place ads. All right, you just have to know which keywords to publish in so you have people buying your books. All right, and just let me show you one more thing on the platform so you see why I make $4. So if we look at these books, right? This book is $15, right? If I go back to page one, you'll see how much. This is not a $2 book. This is not a $2 book. This is a highly profitable business model, right? Here's my book, $24.95, $25. I'm not selling $2 books. This is why I make so much, and you can too make so much with this business model here. This is just one revenue stream of several. So if you want to find out more about self-publishing, Kindle self-publishing, you can publish in the US, in multiple countries throughout the world on the Amazon platform. You can have your book translated in multiple language and do royalty shares with people from all over the world wanting to translate your book. You can convert it to audio and have an Audible, a passive income stream. This is new to so many people that I speak to, that they have no idea you can do this. You can outsource the writing, you could outsource the covers, you could outsource everything. I'm not a writer, but I'm a publisher, and you can too. So if you find interest in this, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can find me, you can find my course, and you can find my products if you're interested in learning how to do this. This is compared to real estate, which I have, crypto trading, which I do, and any other form of passive income. This is truly, once you get this thing done and you upload it, it's a digital asset. You basically, your hands off, and that's the beautiful thing. All right, whether you want to make 1,000 per month, 5,000, 10,000, it just depends how much you want to publish. The more you publish, the more chances are some of your books are just gonna resonate with people, and they're gonna take off, like I've had some books happen too. So anyway, guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you find value, or someone who is looking to create passively a new income stream. This is a great opportunity. This is not a lot of people do this. They think it's a lot of work, but you're just outsourcing every stage of the process. And if I can do it, you can do it too. All right, I'll see you on the next video.